is FBI Dean here, and in today's video we have a box here, a giant box that says Okai yes, the electric skateboard. Yeah, let's call it that. As you can see here, this is a scooter. So I'm hoping that I can get a. I'm hoping that this is the black edition, because I saw the white edition and I didn't really mention which color I wanted. So yeah, as you guys can see, the range is up to 50 miles, and top speed is 20 miles per hour. Customizable front and bottom safety light bars, one-click folding system, LCD screen with selectable themes, 10-inch high elasticity tires, aircraft guard aluminum frame, app, NFC button. Now, this is the moment of truth for the actual colors, so nothing yet, but it smells like chemicals. That's good, that's good. It has a, So as you can see, it shows us a great detail on how to assemble the scooter. Let's see what the color is. Oh, and if you guys scan this QR code right here, you guys can see a installation tutorial video. So there's that. Alright, moment of truth for color. So first off, it comes with a NFC chip, and it comes with a air tire thing and a couple screws with an Allen wrench, as well as the instructions. But we don't need those. Here's a box right here. Let's see what's inside this box. It is the power cable. Because we need to charge this thing. Now the moment of truth of the color of the scooter. And it's the black one. That looks cool. But let's figure out how to alright, so here's the handlebar here. Let's put it right here so we can connect them. Get close, get closer on this bend. Get very close, get very close, get close. Okay, so now we are going to take this scooter out of the box. If I can. Oh yes, it comes with its own pump! I was really worried about this. But, oh shit, I think I broke it. Oh well. Okay, I'm just untangling these so I can charge this scooter. Me and Ben are gonna go to Dunkin' real quick and hope that this scooter is, somewhat decently charged, I hope. So after I get these nuts undone, we should be good to go. Alright, green button light is on. Now, question is, where do we plug this in? Aha! I found the plug! I mean, does it say anything that I can't turn it on? Or can I... I'm gonna turn it on. Charging 56%. Well, that answers my question. Oh, look at this light right here! This is pretty damn cool. It's the charging indicator. Hey, so it looks like I can't even use this. Well, we'll be right back. Look at the key. All right. So here's the scooter as of now. I am going to ride it. Here's the dashboard. Bing, bada boom. The miles per hour gauge, the battery, whatever H stands for. I don't know. But I'm gonna ride this now, so bye.